and Valverde. Oh, no, they have
No,
to stay
no.
for the plea.
Yeah,
Duh.
that was
All right,
Margie.
thanks, Margie. We're good?
Yes, Judge, we're
All
good.
right, thanks. See you tomorrow.
Thank
Wait,
you.
Margie, before you leave, I have a question. Sorry. For Roland on my docket, it had said that there was a misdemeanor. Was he bonded out on that?
Roland,
Number 7 on the felony. He was reset, but I just didn't receive any of the paperwork, so I wasn't sure if it was because he was already bonded out on that misdemeanor that he had.
no, he was he was in transit, so he's gonna be reset.
Okay, I just didn't get that paperwork. If you did, could you please send that to me so I could insert it?
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, bye, guys. Thanks. See you in the morning.
Thank you.
All right, let's get this last one done. All right, it's cause number. God, the paperwork's really slow, Terry, all of a sudden.
Mr. Velasquez, it says denied up on top, but that's, as long as the clerk can see your voucher, you're okay.
Okay, yeah, I
I'm
was
sure
just a little thrown off by that.
Yeah, I don't know
All
why.
right,
it has that.
734-960, State of Texas versus Dominic Dawson. Are you Dominic Dawson?
Sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Raise your right hand for me if you would. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Dawson. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Dawson, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You are charged, Mr. Dawson, with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dawson, you have several legal rights at this point, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Dawson, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Dawson, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Dawson, you understand, sir, you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, Mr. Dawson, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork for me. Call the defendant's waiver of constitutional rights and court admonitions. Mr. Dawson, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand what's in these documents?
I do, Your Honor.
Great, because these documents tell me, Mr. Dawson, that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Dawson, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Great, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Dawson, it tells me here that you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dawson, listen up. State's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, State.
Whatever.
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
All right, Mr. Velasquez, is that the agreement?
That is the agreement, Your Honor.
Mr. Dawson, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Velasquez, does Mr. Dawson have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
I believe he does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has, Judge.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
I believe he is, Judge.
All right, Mr. Dominic Duriel Dawson, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dawson, please tell me how you pleaded the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you're doing so freely and voluntarily, and you understand I could still find you guilty based upon that plea, yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Dawson. I will accept your plea. Upon that plea, I do find you guilty of criminal trespass to private property, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, in 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied. by the time you've already served. Mr. Dawson, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Dawson, you have any questions, sir?
I do not, Judge.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right, guys, come on.
All right, that's it.
That's it, Judge. For me, Your Honor, may I be excused?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
Valverde and Angelise, thanks so much for staying late with us this morning.
Not a problem, Judge. See y'all tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Teresa, really quick. So then the
Yes.
voucher, it'll just still be presented to Judge, right?
Yeah,
Or how
the
does that
judge,
work?
yeah, the judge, I'm sure signed it because he didn't have a problem with it, but tonight, when you get Mr. Velasquez's, voucher, I don't think there's any, you were able to fill out everything. You were just concerned about the
I
word
was.
denied up on top.
Yeah, it was telling me that I needed to resubmit it, and I went through it again, and there was nothing to there was nothing to correct.
But
Everything.
you were able to send it, so.
Correct.
let
I
me
think I
see.
just approved it, Terry. I didn't see
Okay.
it. I mean, I wasn't like reading every line, but I just approved it.
Yeah, Judge.
Like 300
It
bucks.
just threw me off because it had in big red bold letters that I needed attorney must resubmit voucher that it was denied. But I'm not sure why.
Yeah, I don't
Hey, maybe,
understand either.
Terry, maybe because he was late, they wanted me to take.
You know what, that could be,
I was
it.
I'm in district court in Hayes
Oh,
County.
I get it. I get it.
But okay, Your Honor, that's all
All
I
right, take care of
have.
yourself. All right, brother.
Yes, Judge.
If there's a
Bye-bye.
problem, the clerk will let us know and I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Teresa. Have a good
You're
one.
welcome. You too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Judge, tonight you got everything?
I'm not sure if I was supposed to get paperwork for like all the refusals. I haven't, if that's the case.
There was only a couple of refusals. Mostly they were resets.
Yes, I got one. I need one refusal and then the reset for Tyler, number 30. So I don't know if, yeah, number 7 and number 30, they were on the docket to not show up, but usually they pop up anyway to do the paperwork for the refused and the reset. I just didn't know if you had that or not.
Do you want me to have Margie call you or?
Hang on, Sinai, hang on a second. Tell me their names again. Let me see if I sent them.
Number 7 is Johnny D. Cutler. And then,
Coulter.
yes, and then number 30 is Tyler Michael Wood.
Ooh, that doesn't sound- Oh, yeah. Johnny Coulter, I sent this morning. The refusal. I signed
let me-
off on Johnny this morning. Let me see if
Oh,
I.
yes, I have him. Okay, I'm
Okay,
sorry.
and then the other one was,
The Tyler Wood.
let me see if I did the same with Tyler. I don't see that one. I don't have a Tyler Wood.
Well, I know it's reset for Friday, tonight. I had to
Okay.
redo, I don't think they sent it. I think something was, I don't know if he was in, the one that was in the hospital or something like that, but
Okay, so
Okay.
I could just scratch him off. It doesn't matter.
yeah,
Yeah.
I just scratch them
Okay.
off because we're gonna redo them on Friday.
Yeah, I
Okay,
never got
sounds
that
good.
one anyway, so, okay, thanks.
Okay. See y'all tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry, Kendra, thanks. I got your dismissals and everything. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, see you in the morning.
Bye, Judge.